Alright, here again, I got another requested video on how to set the trunk height. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to open up our trunk, have it opened up, and we can adjust the trunk height to where we want. So like on my trunk, I have it to where I can reach it, but this actually goes up a lot higher. So what you would do is you would grab your handle and pull it to about wherever you want it to be. I kind of have it so I can reach it easy with my hand. I'm not, 6 feet tall, so I kind of pull it down to where I want it. Once it's where you want it, press and hold this button right here. And then for about 15 seconds, 10 seconds. And now I just heard I'm not sure if you heard that, but there's a beep on the inside of the car. And let it go. So now it's going to set itself to wherever you have it. So now when I close it, it's going to close normal. Alright, I'm going to open it again. And it's going to stop right here, right where I had it. So it's that easy. Any other questions, feel free to post up, let me know, and I'll try to make a video for you. And as always, like the videos, and I look for your feedback. Thank you.